Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics SPM. To excel, focus on understanding fundamental concepts, practicing extensively, and mastering experimental skills. We will cover strategies for grasping difficult topics, effective problem-solving approaches, and essential revision techniques. This guide aims to help you build a strong foundation and confidently approach your examinations, ensuring you are well prepared for success. Understanding the core concepts is paramount in physics. Begin by focusing on the fundamental principles before moving to complex applications. Utilize diagrams and real-world analogies to visualize abstract ideas, making them easier to grasp. Always connect new information to what you already know, building a cohesive understanding. Do not hesitate to ask questions or seek additional resources when a topic feels challenging. Consistent practice is key to mastering physics problem solving. Start by working through solved examples in your textbook to understand the application of formulas. Then, tackle a wide variety of practice questions from different sources. Critically analyze any mistakes you make, understanding why they occurred to prevent repeating them. Incorporate timed practice sessions to improve your speed and efficiency under exam conditions. For effective revision, condense your notes into concise summaries, highlighting key formulas and concepts. Practice with full past year examination papers to familiarize yourself with the format and common question patterns. This helps you anticipate what to expect and manage your time wisely during the actual exam. Focus on understanding the mark scheme to maximize your scores and approach the exam with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.